This video demonstrates how to access live AI-assisted help with Lumi Chat, which is available with the End User Support Lite package. Use Lumi Chat to ask questions in Brightspace and receive user-specific contextual documentation from Brightspace Community. Click the Lumi Chat icon. Enter a question. Click Read Article to view the suggested documentation. If you need additional assistance, click Contact Support to call, email, or chat with a D2L representative. You can also post your question in Brightspace Community by clicking Ask the Community. If you have another question, click Yes, I have another question.